Okay, so today is the next day from all the mess. I'm honestly
Let me answer this question.
What?
I have to watch this video and it's due today. I'll come back.
You have to do what?
I have to submit this paper, watch a video and answer some questions.
This whole time when you were here just sitting down, not doing it until now when I said let's work, that's when you have to do this. You have less than 30 minutes.
Is that even less than 30 minutes?
Yes, you do. Oh my god. Today's the next day. My birthday was actually yesterday. I didn't do much because I didn't plan to do much. I just bought a freaking house. So yes, I had to put a huge lump of money down that I decided not to really do anything for my birthday. I mean, the biggest present that somebody could ever buy for me, it's me being able to purchase my house. So I didn't have to do anything. Initially, I wanted to like travel out of the country. Then I changed to like, let's just go to Vegas because it's 2 hours away. And then I also changed to let's just like not do anything. So last minute I decided that, you know what, maybe I should just do dinner. And my realtors wanted to take me out and I invited a few of my friends. So we just went out and got some food. We went to Katana, LA.
Are you recording? It's a big box too.
Lavia, I know always having something.
It's a really cute spot that people go to. There's a lot of celebrities. Every time that we go there, we always see like the amigos. So last time we went, I think we saw Offset, and then this time when we went, I didn't see them, but my sister and my friend actually saw Quavo. So I guess that's this spot. But yeah, so we just went there. We got some food. I'm like under the weather since I went to Atlanta, so I came back still under the weather, and today I'm kind of feeling better, but my nose is like super congested. But I'm just ready to start packing up the apartment because I do want to get my deposit back. Okay, gotta get this money back. It was a lot. I think it was probably like $4,000 to $8,000 for deposit. I could be wrong. I don't remember how much I put. I don't know if I had to put like twice the rent or once. I don't remember, but whatever it is, I need that shit back. You hear me? So I'm basically going to start packing up the apartment. Me and my sister agreed that we want to move to the new house by the 14th, but we have until the 19th in this apartment. So if we do move our stuff by the 14th to the new house, I will have enough time to get this place like painted, and any holes that needs to be fixed can get fixed so that I get my deposit yet again. My apartment lady here is so sweet. So as soon as I told her, okay, I'm putting my 30 days notice to leave this place, and I was gonna tell her initially faster, but when you're purchasing the house, you just never know what is going to happen. So I needed enough time. So I just kind of told her, hey, I'm in the process. I don't know exactly when I am going to like officially close to my house and everything like that, but I'm just letting you know it could be any time. So I just want to have enough time to pack and get everything done. So she kind of worked with me, but I still put in my 30 days notice. And the crazy thing is, as soon as I put in my notice, there was like a lady that was interested in the apartment. So the lady came and looked at the apartment when I was away at Atlanta, and the lady likes it and put her application in. So that means I do not have to pay for the rest of my leasing, because my leasing is not up until February, because I moved to this apartment in February, I believe. So technically my leasing is not until February, even if you put your 30 days notice with renting. If nobody moved into that apartment during the time that your leasing is on, you still have to be paying for the apartment. So I am so glad that I don't have to pay for it because somebody is going to move in like the next month as soon as I leave. So yeah, I don't gotta pay for it. So yeah, gotta save all my coins, especially for the fact that I'm thinking about doing all this renovation to my house. And of course I want to get new couches. Speaking of that, I'm gonna go through everything that I'm going to be selling on Let Go and on OfferUp. I'm putting the same stuff on both apps just in case one gets sold faster, you know. But yeah, so I'm gonna get new couches and stuff for the house, just because the house is much bigger and it's a house now, so I really want it to be cozy and feel more homey, because I feel like the apartment vibe is very different from like a home vibe. So basically today I'm gonna start packing up my apartment, and I think I'm gonna start with my room because I have so many clothes that I want to donate. So anything in my room that I want to donate, I'm gonna start taking them out and putting them to the side so we can put them in the boxes. And some of my friends did say that they want to come and like purge in my stuff first and pick what they want. So anything else I guess that I have, I would just take it to the shelter. So oh, by the way, here I have 2 boxes. So one of the boxes is for the makeup that I want. This is actually the donation box, and this is the makeup stuff for me. And guys, I still have more makeup. Ooh, it's dark. I still have more makeup that I'm going to be giving in this room. That's my beauty room, but we're not doing that now. We're gonna start focusing in my room. And guys, my room is a mess right now. I don't even know where to begin. But when you walk into my room, this is what it looks like right now. I haven't been sleeping in my bed, and it's not because I have clothes in my bed. I actually do not like sleeping in my bed. I love sleeping on my couch. Like, I just sleep on the couch every night. So I need to get out of that habit because I'm messing up my couch. This is the first closet. I have so many shoes up there that I need to get rid of because I do not wear them, and so many clothes here that I don't wear. And technically I don't have a lot of clothes compared to some of your favorite YouTubers. I don't have a lot, but to me it is a lot, and I need to get rid of them. And this bags right here is actually stuff that I like purchased a while ago, and I'm like, I need to get rid of them, but I didn't have the chance to take them. So yeah, let's get started. This dress right here was actually a dress that my friend Lavi by CK made for me for one of my ex-friend graduation party. So she had like all of our friends like wear this fabric. It was cute. Too bad we're not friends anymore, so donating. So like, nah, that's not what I'm donating. I just wouldn't wear this again because it's such a like in your face kind of fit. So it was just for that day. I'm thinking about like keeping this because I do think I'm gonna go to Dubai. I literally have it from this is from It's Okay. I think it's called Booski now, but this is from It's Okay. And she sells all this like a really nice kind of Dubai fit. I think I'm just gonna keep it. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it because I might go to Dubai, so when I do, I have it already and I don't have to worry about it. Oh my god. Okay, so this right here, I don't think I will ever give it away. I know it's like too much. There's a lot going on, but this was actually an outfit that Lavi made me because you guys know when the trend of turning yourself into a Bratz doll was going on. I decided to go all the way out, and I even got an outfit made. So Lavi made me a dress. And I think I'm gonna keep it. I don't think I'm gonna wear it, but I think it's just such a cute little costume. Why not keep it, right? So we have progress going on. So far so good. Most of the stuff here are, you know, separated from the stuff that I want and the stuff that I don't. So I just have a few more shoes here that I left out because we are technically here for 2 more weeks and I have a few events, and I'm also going to New York really soon. So I just kept some shoes out that I might have to take with me to New York, but most of the stuff I pretty much packed. And then I just have this bag out. I'm gonna put it in the boxes after I have everything in it so it can be sitting on top and it wouldn't get crushed. That is pretty much done. And out here, these are all the shoes that I didn't want but my sister wants. But just sneakers.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Yes, I'm saying that. Don't say that. Don't say that. So
Don't
yes.
say that.
Why not?
No.
What? Why are you ashamed? You want some of my stuff. What is wrong with that?
No, but don't post it.
Why? You're not giving me a good reason.
The good reason is like you don't have to. I'm trying to. I'm trying to trash it. And my sister.
I didn't say I was trashing it. I said I was donating it. So you're telling me that my stuff is not good enough. And if it's not good enough, then that means you.
No, you say you're donating it, but I say I want it.
Yeah, you say you wanted it.
I cannot let you go to go donate.
No, that I say the stuff that you selected. Why is she arguing with me? The stuff that you selected that you wanted. Because technically, I said the donation box, my friends are going to come and go through the donation box, and then everything else I give away. What's wrong with that?
You are not here the part that you say your friends are coming to do.
Okay, because you're not here when I started filming. Like I was saying, guys, before my sister interrupted me, rude. Right here is basically the box that I have for the shoes that I'm keeping, and then here is the clothes that I have that I'm keeping. And like I told you guys, since I'm traveling and I have events still for the 2 weeks that I'm here, I left some stuff in the closet too. And then here is the donation box. So this is shoes and clothes. There's a lot of shoes, and all this stuff are like really great stuff that I decided to give all the shoes away because honestly, when I wear them, I'm just in so much pain. It's uncomfortable. So there's no point of me keeping stuff that makes me hella uncomfortable. So letting those go. And then I have, of course, gotta get situated, and some bags. We actually put some bags out. And then stuff on my bed needs to like get together. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm reading something.
Mama, you're not even helping me.
Well, I just put the stuff in there.
You were just laying down on the bed. You're supposed to be helping me, and you're not helping me do anything. What is your purpose right now? Gosh. What did you make? Guys, we are hungry. There's no roof.
We are hungry.
What? Huh? Mama, you took all my shrimp, huh?
Which your shrimp? I cooked the shrimp.
Wow. We got noodles today because nobody wants to cook real food.
Oh, you don't want to cook real food. Like you cook.
You know I don't cook. But I be eating though. I be eating though. Crack my egg too, please. Mama, crack my egg. Fine, I'm taking your egg. That's what we got. My nails are technically weapons. It's really not. Ooh, I don't even like this eggs.
Then why did you take it?
Because I thought it was going to taste like the one that we get from Costco. It don't taste like it. Okay, so I think it's official. I only like Costco eggs because they taste different. And if you guys have never tried them, you should totally try the Costco eggs. I don't know. There's something about it that just tastes real and natural versus all the other egg. I feel like this is like GMO and all that ish. So yep, let me get some noodles. Tomorrow we're gonna start doing the beauty room. I feel like there's not much in the beauty room to do. Let me not say that, because when you actually start doing it, then you're like, oh snap, you know, all this stuff really start to add up. But yeah, so tomorrow we're gonna start doing this beauty room. We have to come and take this wallpaper out of this bathroom. This is my sister's bathroom, so we're gonna get the wallpapers out. Hopefully it doesn't like damage anything. It shouldn't, because it's one of those like do it yourself, so we didn't have to use any glue. What is that noise? We didn't have to use any glue, so I think it should be easy to take it off and just get the whole place repainted and maybe a little bit of the holes fixed. But yeah, so I'm actually going to be selling this dining table and the dining chairs, because that's not the style that I want for the new house. So I want to get something else. If you guys watch my house tour, then you saw like the inspiration of what I want for the new house. Sorry, I had to keep switching my arm because I'm vlogging on my big camera, so it's super heavy, so I have to keep switching. And then this right here, this is the console here that has a fireplace, so I'm also selling that. And I also want to get rid of my couch. I think I mentioned now to you guys, it's a hot mess now, but actually the couch is still in good condition. It just has a lot of stuff on it right now. But I think that's like the major stuff that I want to sell. Everything else, I think I want, like this spot right here where I edit my videos, as you guys can see. This is where I edit my videos, so that spot is going to, I'm going to take it, because I don't think I need to buy anything new. So basically, I guess I'm done for the day, and then I will catch you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna eat and take my medicine and just try to chill and probably watch some stuff. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.